Welcome to RNS Life After 55. Sherry's taking me to Shawnee so I can do my first radiation treatment today. I've had 2 chemos treatments.
Another one tomorrow.
I got another chemo tomorrow.
And you're going to meet with the chemo doctor today.
Oh yeah, and I've got a doctor's appointment with the chemo doctor today.
Tell him how you've been feeling.
Been pretty good. First couple days after the chemo was kind of rough. Then after that, I get to feeling a whole lot better. The steroids by the 3rd day are working real good, and the pain and stuff from the chemo's gone, so I'm flying high on that day. Then it kind of starts tapering off towards the end of the week. Not feeling quite as good as I was yesterday, but I still feel pretty good. And I'm just breathing still a little bit rough. I'm hoping the radiation treatments. I'm hoping the radiation treatments will help get some more of that swelling down out of my throat. We'll find out.
Of course, they did tell us the radiation's also going to make your throat feel worse before it feels better. I don't know if they can hear me, but yeah.
Yeah, they did say that it'll get worse before it gets better. But that's about the way it is with anything, I think. All right.
And we're going to try to get some pictures today. The nurse said she would take my phone back and take a couple of pictures of him with his mask on for radiation. So if you're not sure what is meant by the mask, and I think the only people that do the mask are the ones who are having radiation near their face, but I don't know that for sure. That's my guess. But so I'm going to try to post some mask pictures probably right about here.
If I think of it, I'll ask them if they use the mask or secure people down like that, no matter where it's at, or if it's just because it's on my neck next to. I think it's just because it's on my neck and it's right next to my voice box. It's right next to my saliva glands and everything, and they can't have me moving because the radiation will damage them. So I think that's the only reason I'm actually wearing the mask. But if I think of it, I'll ask them today.
Thank you guys for watching today. We appreciate it. If you're liking the video or you want to continue to follow Rusty on his stage 4 throat cancer journey, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. We really appreciate it. And if you have any comments, we answer every one of those. See you in a bit. Okay, I'm going to finish this video up. You're looking at some pictures. If you're ever wondering what radiation therapy looks like, this is some pictures that the nurse took for us. Rusty's a little tired tonight, not really probably so much from that, but because of the chemo he's been getting. Everything seems to be fine at this point. The doctor said, our first goal is to get rid of the cancer, and second would be to save his voice. The doctor also told us today that Rusty has 2 to 3 good weeks left, and then he is going to be having issues with his throat hurting from the radiation. And he also told us that he needs to be thinking about a possible feeding tube. Rusty's going to give it 2 or 3 more weeks. He said as long as he can swallow, he is not about to do the feeding tube, but we'll just have to wait and see. Thanks again, everyone, for joining us and for following this horrible journey, and we'll see you next time.